Have you ever said to yourself, I wish I could take my hairstylist home with me? Have you tried to recreate in-salon looks with little to no success, only to feel lost and confused? Or maybe you're just looking for new inspiration and want to learn more. I'm Krystina Indigo, your how-to hairstylist, and here I share with you the best ways to create in-salon looks with confidence and ease. Still haven't mastered braiding yet? That's okay. I'm going to show you in today's video how to create a braided look without knowing how to braid and just a few elastics. You're going to start out by sectioning your hair right down the middle. Doesn't need to be a clean parting. The more erratic, the better it'll be able to hide your scalp. So you're going to want to get all of your clear hair ties. And you can choose to leave some hair out in the front if you've got some shorter pieces to do so. I'm going to start with a ponytail using my elastic fairly close to my scalp. So once I've got that, I'm going to use my piece fingers and I'm going to go right through the middle of that ponytail. And I'm gonna fish for the ponytail through the section. So let me show you what I mean. Use my piece fingers. I'm gonna flip the hair through that section and tighten it up. I'm gonna drop down about 2 or so more inches, depending on how long your hair is how many times we're gonna repeat this. And section it off again. I'm going to separate the very middle of it. Using my 2 fingers, I'm going to flip the hair through that section and then tighten it up. So I'm just going down the entire hair strand and repeating this. Then I'm going to pinch and pull the outside of this a little bit to expand it. This will be especially helpful if you have thinner hair. I'm going to repeat the same thing on the opposite side. Finish this look with a boho hat. And you're all set.